Okay, let's look at another problem. A parachute on a racing dragster opens and changes the speed of the car from 85 meters per second to 45 meters per second in a period of 4.5 seconds. What is the acceleration of the dragster? Step number one, let's put in what we need to know. So we need to know acceleration, and we know that in order to get acceleration, we need the final velocity, we need the initial velocity, and we need the time. Let's get our information. We know that the car goes from 85 to 45 meters per second. So this must be our initial velocity, this must be our final velocity, and this must be our time. So let's pull that out. Initial velocity is 85 meters per second. Our final velocity is 45 meters per second. And our time is 4.5 seconds. If we plug this in here, we should get 45 meters per second. Take away 85 meters per second. And all that is over 4.5 seconds. If we evaluate the top first, we should get negative 40 meters per second over 4.5 seconds. And so our final acceleration should be negative 8.89 meters per second. Now, this should be pretty intuitive. This negative should make sense because it was going faster at the beginning than it was at the end, meaning that it was slowing down or decelerating. So we should have a negative acceleration. Whenever we have a deceleration, we should have a negative acceleration. So negative 8.89 meters per second. So for every second that went by over that 4.5 seconds, it was getting 8.89 meters per second slower. So our acceleration is 8.89 meters per second.